Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to graph a piecewise function because so many people had a difficult time today. Here's the problem. And if you noticed, I put that there to make a chart here and a chart here. You don't have to do that if you already know how to graph it. But what I did is I wrote this equation right here, and then we're gonna fill it in. So what I'm gonna do is in my chart, because this says x is less than or equal to 2, I'm always gonna use this number, right? So I'm gonna put that here, and then I'm gonna choose another number that's smaller than 2. Since I have to multiply it by a half, I'm gonna pick 0. Then I'm gonna plug those numbers in. So I'm gonna take 2 and plug it into here. A half of 2 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. I noticed that because I use a 2, it says that it's a included, so I'm gonna put a closed circle. Now I also used 0, so I'm gonna plug that in. Half of 0 is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3. And then I'm gonna put an arrow because this line is gonna keep going on and on. All right, now if I wanna graph that so far, what I would do is I would say, okay, this thing starts at 2, 4. So I'm gonna go over 2, up 4, and I'm gonna put a closed circle. That's my first point. And remember, I'm saying that I care about everything that's less than 2. So this picture should be going this way. My next point is 0, 3, and I'm just gonna put my line through it, and it's gonna keep going on and on like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Negative x plus 4. And once again, I'm gonna use the 2 because it's right there. And then I'm gonna pick another number that's greater than 2, so I'm gonna try 4. And then I noticed that 2, it says that it has to be greater than 2, so that's gonna be an open circle. And I'm gonna plug that in. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2. Plug in 4, negative 4 plus 4 is 0. And I put an arrow there. And then I'm gonna graph this again. 2, 2, open circle, 4, 0. And then I just connect and it keeps going. It's still a function because it passes the vertical line test. And that is how you graph that piecewise function.